Hey guys, thanks so much to those of you who reached out to me and asked me to produce a short video for you so that you have this powerful tool to help you be even more successful at reaching your goal and confirming that you are a non-smoker. EFT and tapping is such a powerful tool, and I want you to have this. So let's begin by putting our feet flat on the floor, sitting in a chair comfortably, and just focusing. And you can just take that deep breath in and let it out slowly. And prepare ourselves. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to follow along and let your body sync with your intention. So let's begin. Start with the fleshy karate chops, the fleshy parts of our hand, and repeat either silently or out loud. Even though I once smoked in the past, that version of me no longer exists. I am now fully aligned with the identity of a non-smoker. Even though I used to rely on cigarettes, I now rely on my breath, my strength, my clarity. I completely accept and celebrate this transformation. Moving to the eyebrow. I am now a non-smoker. To the side of the eye. I feel calm and free under the eye. Old cravings have no hold on me. Under your nose, the smell, the taste. It no longer belongs to me. Now under the lip. My body loves being smoke-free. Move to your collarbone. I am proud of who I'm becoming. Under your arm. I'm in full control now. Top of your head. This is who I am. I am a non-smoker. Now take a deep breath in, drawing it from the soles of your feet all the way to the top of your head. Hold it and exhale. And feel your vibration in your body. Feel that energy resetting. Taking another deep breath. Hold it and release. You got this. Thanks so much for all the hard work you're doing.